Cheryl Roth, those flames have now finally stopped burning, at least for now, here at this Chase Bank. That's because Nicor gas crews here on the scene were finally able to shut off that gas line that fed this fire for hours. The inside of this Bloomingdale Chase Bank is now a flaming inferno. Set off when firefighters say this SUV slammed into the side of the bank moments after closing Friday evening.
She had used the drive-through. It sounds like she was starting to exit, and for some reason the brakes didn't work or inadvertently hit the wrong pedal.
The impact of the car against the brick wall carved a precarious path.
The car shut off a 2-inch gas main. It's feeding into the building. Everybody's evacuated.
Another customer snapped this photo from the drive-through lane before the flames started. At that point, the smell of gas, he says, was already seeping into the air.
The gas line did not ignite originally. It took a little time before the gas ignited.
The odds of this happening just right from the ATM and into a gas line, pretty extraordinary.
Firefighters were able to lead the female driver away, alert and uninjured, moments before.
We had an explosion. Everybody's okay.
That's what blew a hole in the side of the bank wall. With that, flames shot into the air, burning through the car, the roof, and inside part of the bank.
It's going to be probably at least a couple hours. They have to dig probably 5 to 6 feet into the ground to shut this gas line off.
As Nicor gas crews furiously burrowed into a frozen ground, a steady flow of gas meant constant nourishment for the fire and a relentless multi-front fight for firefighters. The frigid air and endless flood of water left the SUV that set this bank ablaze encased in solid ice. That frozen over SUV is still parked exactly where it stopped just after 5 o'clock tonight. Representatives from Chase Bank and fire investigators will now have to come out here in daylight tomorrow to take a look inside this branch to see exactly how bad the damage is. But the good news here tonight, no one inside that bank was injured, and remarkably, neither was that female driver.